The highlight of the Ghana 2011 economic report by Oxford Business Group indicates that the country's political stability and its welcoming business environment, among others, accounts for its impressive macroeconomic performance. With an estimated annual oil revenue contribution of about $1 billion, the economy's GDP is expected to rise more than 13.7%. The report, however, indicated that over 20% of Ghanaians are still living below the poverty line. Giving an overview of the report, the Africa Regional Editor of Oxford Business Group, Mr. Robert Tashima, said difficulty in accessing domestic financing by SMEs and entrepreneurs are some of the challenges facing the economy.
Now, there are more fundamental hurdles as well. There's the size of the informal market, which represents a drag on the economy, limiting employment and growth. There are still regional disparities between the North and the South, which needs to be addressed. And finally, accessing domestic financing is a constant struggle, whether you're a farmer, an oil man, or a small business owner. High interest rates constrict lending opportunities, and banks struggle to overcome high rates on T-bills, credit opacity, and default risk.
The report's economic growth strategies suggested that Ghana needs to meet the ECOWAS Convergence criteria to help improve inter-sub-regional trade and development. It is also suggested that the government and financial institutions can help improve access to financing by lowering interest rates. The Minister for Trade and Industry, Madame Hannah Tete, said despite today's global debt crisis, Ghana is bound to benefit from its internally created investment opportunities and macroeconomic improvements.
And as we near the end of 2011, our expectations are that foreign investments will grow even further. By the end of the first quarter of this year, a total of 887 million United States dollars had been recorded, compared to 691 million United States dollars in the corresponding period last year. These numbers attest to the success of our promotional efforts and, of course, the numerous investment opportunities that our country offers.
The Chief Executive Officer of the Ghana Investment Promotion Center, Mr. George Abuaje, emphasized that to sustain the country's economic performance, Ghana is to ensure a clear, coherent source of data available for foreign investors. This, he said, will contribute to the steady flow of domestic and foreign investments into various facets of the economy. The report outlining growth strategies for the economy suggested an increase in exports and a boost in tax collection will further enhance the finances of the Ghanaian economy.